Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English. Improve your performance. Recharge your body. Hello. In this video, we learn about improving workplace work performance and provide insights into the strategies involved at work.
Good afternoon, class. I hope you're all doing well today. Today, I'd like to discuss the importance of recharging your body and getting enough rest.
Hello, Mr. Jordan. We've been keeping up with the assignments and practicing the previous skills we've covered. Rest is important, but how does it directly impact our performance at work?
Recharging your body and getting adequate rest are fundamental for workplace performance in several ways. Firstly, when you're well rested, you're more likely to be alert, focused, and productive. Your mind is clearer, and you're less prone to making mistakes.
I see, so getting enough sleep is essential.
Absolutely, Damien. Getting enough sleep is the cornerstone of effective rest. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. If you're not getting sufficient sleep, you're more likely to feel tired, sluggish, and irritable. This can make it challenging to focus, concentrate, and maintain productivity.
Are there other ways to recharge the body during the day?
Yes, there are. Taking breaks during the day is vital. Every 20 to 30 minutes, try to move around, stretch, or take a short walk. These breaks can help combat fatigue and improve circulation, keeping you more alert and energized.
Exercise is also mentioned. How does that contribute to better rest?
Exercise plays a significant role in overall health and well-being, including sleep quality. Regular exercise can help you sleep better and reduce stress levels, both of which are critical for recharging your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week.
What about diet and stress management?
Your diet is essential too. Eating a healthy diet provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function correctly. Be sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals. Additionally, managing stress is crucial because it can affect both your physical and mental health. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation.
These are valuable tips, Mr. Jordan. Do you have any additional advice for us?
Certainly, Damien. Here are some additional tips to create a healthy sleep routine. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before sleep, like taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to soothing music. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. These substances can interfere with sleep, so it's best to avoid them in the hours leading up to bedtime. Create the right sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. These conditions are ideal for promoting restful sleep. If you can't sleep, get up. If you're unable to fall asleep after 20 minutes in bed, it's best to get up and do something relaxing until you feel tired. By following these tips, Damien, you can establish healthy sleep habits that will help you recharge your body and improve your overall workplace performance.
Thank you, Mr. Jordan. This lesson on the importance of rest and recharging is a valuable reminder. I'll make sure to incorporate these practices into my daily routine.
You're very welcome, Damien. Remember that taking care of your physical and mental well-being is a critical part of achieving success in the workplace. By prioritizing rest and self-care, you'll be better equipped to perform at your best. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.